Good morning, children. Children, already we are going through the poem Parrots in My Garden. This poem we have just completed and now we are going through some exercise part. Today we will do some questions taken from your chapter, from your this poem. Some questions we have done given at lesson and exercise. But these are some extra questions. These are not in your exercise, but yes, it is taken from the poem. So let us get started, children. Now the first one is, why do the parrots come to speaker's house? Now who is the speaker? Speaker is Sapna Datta. She is the writer of the poem and she is the speaker. Okay. So why does the poem? Why do this poem? These parrots come to a speaker's house. We'll write your answer. To eat juicy grams. Now, as you know, this grams means chana. To eat juicy grams, fresh chana, ताजे चना हम लोग बोलते हैं इसे. तो to eat juicy grams. Why do parrots come to speaker's house? To eat juicy grams. Next, what is clean and clear in the poem? What is clean and clear? Now, the speaker she says that early morning when before the sun rises, the flock of parrots, they come to my lawn and they eat juicy grams, and as soon as I give them, this lawn is clean and clear. So here we are talking about clean and clear is lawn. The place is lawn. Okay. Next, me in the poem refers to whom? Now here me refers to whom? It refers to the speaker. The line is given like, they swoop down on the juicy gram which I love to throw. They are not afraid of me, the way they come and go. Me refers to the poem. This speaker here, she says that the parrots are not afraid of me. So we will write here speaker. Me refers to whom? Is speaker. Who are not afraid of speaker? The speaker says, this flock of parrots, they come and go and they are not afraid of me. So we will write here parrots. Parrots are not afraid of speaker. What is the speaker? Next, what the speaker loves to do? She loves to throw this juicy grams for this parrots, and she loves to see them. She loves watching them eating. When she throws the gram, these parrots, they come, they swoop down and they start eating, and she loves to see it. So what she loves to do? She loves to throw juicy gram. Okay. So answer is she loves to throw juicy grams. Why do the parrots leave the place? Why do you think the parrots leave the place? To fly back once again. Parrot leaves the place to fly back once again. So next day again in early morning, again the parrots will come by. Again the speaker will give some juicy grams to them and they will come back to eat it. So why do the parrots leave the place? To fly back once again. So children, here we have done some extra questions other than your exercise part. I will just read out again these answers. Why do the parrots come to the speaker's house? Me is in the poem refers to whom? It refers to speaker. Who are not afraid of speaker? Parrots are not afraid of speaker. What the speaker loves to do? To throw juicy crumbs. Why do the parrots leave the place? To fly back once again. Parrot leaves the place. Now here we have done this. You will learn this question answers. But before that, what is your part? You need to read the poem again and again to answer this questions. Otherwise, you are not able to do that. Right? So children, please go through the chapter also and please go through these videos so that you are able to give answers in your exams. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.